Hey everyone, welcome back to our dump truck build series. This is just a short video showing the layout of the dump bed. The dimensions are almost 8 feet wide by approximately 9 feet long. Here you can see we laid our two 6-inch C-channel frame rails down first. And then we're going through and just tacking all of the metal onto those. We made sure that they were square, parallel. We checked all of our measurements dozens of times. And we're within, a 1/16 of an inch all around. So what we're doing is we're going through and we're tacking everything. And then the guy that's working with me is gonna come back and weld everything in. One tip that we did is we pre-cut all of our metal, so when it was time to tack and weld, we were able to just set everything in, double check everything, and then we could just go and weld everything at the same time so that all of our cuts were exactly the same length, and it just makes for a faster process. Total time here from when we were cutting the metal to we had the whole base frame welded was about, I'd say about 3.5 hours. Okay, so here we are on day 2, and you can see I've got some new helpers. The headboard there, we laid out on the concrete floor, squared everything up, and then we tacked it together so that it would be a square unit that we could then stand up. It's hard to see, but down in the bottom corners we have some clamps holding it, so we made sure everything was square first before we welded it solid. And this is after we got the headboard on. We were done welding everything on the top. We have these I-beam sawhorses that we wanted to set the bed on. We could continue working on it.
You wanna try again?
I'm gonna hurt something.
You're gonna get a hernia.
I think I'm too weak to get a hernia.
Huh?
Too weak to get a hernia.
How are you too weak to get a hernia?
Like I wouldn't try that hard to pick up and mess up something.
It doesn't matter how strong you are.
No, like I'm not, like I'm too weak mentally to even try to pick up something to get a hernia. Yeah. Well, if you don't set it on blocks, how are you going to get it back off?
You could get a hernia doing that.
Oh, really? I was like 3 more inches higher, so it's so much crazy. Why are you laughing so much? She is such a mean person.
You gotta remember I'm the editor.
Make a comment, the editor of this video.